How are you doing, guys?
Hey, what's up?
What do you do for a living, sir?
I'm a consultant.
How many years of experience do you have in doing that?
I've been doing social media marketing for 9 years. I'm just getting into influencer consulting.
What kind of education do you have to be able to do that?
Oh, I fell into social media marketing. I have a degree in English, but I mean, you don't have to have a degree to get into social media marketing.
What do you love about doing that?
The connection. People share their stories online, and they share who they are. And I think being able to broadcast that is a beautiful thing. And social media allows for people to connect within an instant. So that's probably the best thing about social media.
How much money do you think someone can earn every month by doing that type of job?
Oh, you can make a lot of money doing social media marketing. I think for entry level, you could probably make $4,000 or $5,000 a month entry level. But then you can get to be an influencer, marketing consultant, and you can make upwards of $20,000 a month.
How can someone get in a field like that or get a job like that?
It's interesting. Everybody who I talk to who says that they've ever been in social media marketing is very untraditional getting into that. But definitely starting with interest in that field, and then go and find an internship and start there. I mean, you can even do it yourself. You can start social media posting yourself, build a brand, and show companies that you can do it yourself.
What is the hardest things in doing that type of job?
The hardest things? Strategy changes every day. Social media, everything changes. It's trying to crack the algorithm is actually one of the biggest things. Instagram doesn't know what they want to do. TikTok is kind of finicky. So cracking that code and finding the strategy for social media is probably the hardest thing.
What do you wish you knew before doing that type of job?
What did I wish I knew? I would say that social media can wait. Whenever I was in rooms with people, it was like, you got to post now. Not necessarily. You can wait. You can find the best strategy and go from there.
What is the best advice to have for anyone out there who want to do that type of job or who want to do that?
I would say just stay true to the field, and not let a bunch of people who are doing what you want to do dissuade you from chasing that dream. If you want to do social media marketing, you can do it. I mean, even if you want to be a content creator and influencer, you can do that as well. Don't let other people dictate your future and allow you to move away from that path if that's truly what you want to do.
In this point in life, sir, do you think you are successful or not?
Success is a moving target for me. Right now, I'm blessed to be where I'm at. Very fortunate for the things that I have in my life, for the people that I have in my life, and so success is a moving target.
Can you give us 5 things you think people need in life to be successful?
Love, compassion, empathy, hard work, and ambition.
So you look very confident. Why are you so confident like that?
I have no clue. It's just innate, I guess.
What steps do you take daily to boost your confidence?
That's a great question, because you're catching me actually at a really bad time where I don't feel as confident. So thank you for saying that, because I don't feel like I have that confidence I used to. I'm just kind of in a transition period in my life where I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't know if I want to do social media marketing like we just talked about. And so it's a tough one. I'm having a hard time getting back to my roots creatively. And so every day I'm just trying to figure out how to create for myself and not for other people, because I'm also a content creator. So that's one of the things that I'm struggling with now, is just getting back to creating for me out of inspiration and not out of desperation.
So what is the best life advice you have for anyone out there who is watching right now?
Best life advice, if you're watching right now, is like I said before, stay true to yourself, stay true to your path, and not allow people or things or negativity to deviate you from your path.